The selfie drone era didn't just arrive, it exploded. But as we move into 2026, the original DJI Neo, as groundbreaking as it was, is already starting to feel like a prototype for something much bigger. We've seen the leaks, we've analyzed the FCC filings, and we've heard the whispers from the production lines in Shenzhen. Today, we are talking about the DJI Neo 2. This isn't just a minor refresh. This is DJI's attempt to consolidate the entire vlogging market into a device that weighs less than a smartphone but performs like a professional cinema rig. If you thought you knew what a toy drone could do, think again. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From a massive sensor upgrade to 360-degree obstacle avoidance that actually works, and a mysterious new LiDAR sensor that's never been seen on a consumer drone of this size, the Neo 2 is about to rewrite the rules. But there's a catch. With the current regulatory climate in the United States and the 2026 DJI ban threats looming over every new release, is the Neo 2 a masterpiece you can actually fly, or is it a high-tech paperweight waiting to happen? Stay with me for the next 30 minutes as we break down every single leaked spec, the secret pricing strategy, and why the Neo 2 might be the most controversial drone DJI has ever built. To understand why the Neo 2 is causing such a stir, we have to look at the massive gap it's filling. The original Neo was loved for its price but criticized for its camera and flight time. DJI heard those complaints loud and clear. According to the late 2025 leaks, the Neo 2 is jumping from a 4K 30 frames per second cap to a staggering 4K 60 frames per second with 10-bit HDR. But that's not even the headline. The real shocker? Slow motion. We are talking 4K at 100 frames per second. For a palm-sized drone, that is unheard of. This means you can now capture your mountain biking, your skating, or even your simple morning run with a cinematic smoothness that used to require a $3,000 setup. But it's the sensor that has everyone talking. The rumors of a 1/1.2-inch CMOS sensor are looking more and more like reality. This would put the Neo 2's image quality dangerously close to the Mini 4 Pro. Why does this matter? Because of low light. The original Neo struggled the moment the sun began to set. The Neo 2, with its wider f/2.2 aperture and enhanced image processor, is being marketed as a night owl. Imagine walking through a neon-lit street in Vegas or a dimly lit trail in the Pacific Northwest, and your drone is following you, capturing clean, noise-free 4K footage without any bulky lights. Now, let's talk about the brain of this machine. One of the most significant leaks mentions a dedicated Vision AI chip. This isn't just for following you, it's for understanding you. The new Active Track 7.0 system on the Neo 2 is rumored to include a predictive pathing feature. If you run behind a tree or a building, the drone doesn't just stop and hover like the old ones. It calculates your speed and trajectory, flies around the obstacle, and picks you up on the other side. This is the holy grail of solo content creation. You become your own camera crew. But wait, there's more. Let's address the most scary upgrade, the LiDAR. Leaked images show a small, forward-facing sensor that wasn't there before. This isn't just a standard obstacle sensor, it's a light detection and ranging module.